But what you can do is, we can take everyone who denies the consensus of the. Okay.
Science doesn't operate.
Sure.
On
if you want to say
you know it.
Science doesn't operate on consensus.
No. Well, science operates as the.
It operates on a consensus of experiments.
No. There are tipping points. You know, where everyone. You know, at first they didn't all believe in evolution, and then 50 years later, yes, the consensus was it was true, and now we move on to the next thing.
Are you?
People often ask me, if we're descended from chimpanzees, how come there are still chimpanzees? Well, we're not descended from chimpanzees. We're both descended from a common ancestor who lived there about 6 million years ago. That common ancestor then produced two branches, one of which went to us humans, and one of which went to chimpanzees, branching further to produce bonobos and common chimpanzees. We are all cousins. We are not descended from chimpanzees. More distantly related are gorillas. They share a common ancestor with both us and chimpanzees. That's the common ancestor between gorillas and humans and chimps. So humans and chimps are a natural group which are related to gorillas, cousins of gorillas, and all of those animals, which are all African apes. The African apes are gorillas, humans, bonobos, and chimpanzees. All the African apes have a common ancestor with orangutans. That's the common ancestor with orangutans. Those are all the great apes. So the great apes are all cousins. Within the great apes, the African apes are closer cousins. Within the African apes, humans, bonobos, and chimps are closer cousins still. And within them, bonobos and chimpanzees are the closest cousins of all.
Confusing to me, because unlike a lot of things, this isn't a matter of political opinion, it's a matter of scientific opinion. In this case, overwhelming scientific opinion.
I want people to feel empowered to ask questions about what is being fed them from the science community, that something's not making a whole lot of sense when it comes to inconsistent data that is being produced and being fed, especially to our children, when it comes to global warming or climate change, whatever they're calling it today.
That was one sentence, by the way. One very long, very dumb sentence. And here's another one.
It's perpetuated. It's repeated so often that too many people believe that, oh, well, I guess if 97% of all scientists believe that man's activities are creating changes in the weather, who am I to question that?
Exactly. Who are you to question that? Here's the thing. I have a theory. I think maybe Sarah Palin wants global warming. It's cold in Alaska.